In this video, learn how to track your client sessions, workouts, and progress in under 5 minutes using the best Google Sheets template. Let's go. If you're a personal trainer or a fitness entrepreneur looking to track your client workouts in an organized and easy way, this video is for you. Before diving in, for those that don't know me, hi, I'm Sachi. I'm a growth and marketing expert and the founder of easybookapp.com. We make easy-to-use and affordable, best-in-class growth tools for fitness entrepreneurs like yourself. Do check it out. It's completely free to start. It's easybookapp.com. All right, so this is the workout tracker template. So the way I recommend using the spreadsheet is to keep one spreadsheet per client. What you have here, starting with this first tab, is the client information, right? You have your client name, contact information, age, weight, height, medical history, anything that's pertinent to training that you should be aware of as a fitness coach, as well as goals, right? So what is it that they're trying to achieve with your services? So that might be a certain target weight, maybe just running 10 kilometers, whatever is pertinent to your field, those are the goals that you should be tracking. And in a few minutes, you'll find out where we can actually track progress on these metrics as well. So let's move to the next tab. This is the orders and payments tab. Every time this client purchases your services, you will be making an entry here. Here you have your order date, which is when your client starts your services. Then you have your order number. I recommend just starting with one for every client. And that way the client name and the order number becomes a unique ID for that order. Then you have your payment status, whether they have paid you or not. You have your payment date, when they paid you. You have the price of these services, sessions completed, as well as any notes that you want to track. And typically you can add what service you're providing in these notes. So pretty simple so far. Let's jump into the workout logger. So this is the workout logger. What you have over here is your session number. You have the day, which is what you're training in that day. You have the exercises, sets, reps, weight, and notes. So initially when you're filling this out, you will just have, one session. So as you can see here, you have session 1, you have the day, which let's say here it's full body. You have the date when that session occurred. And then you have listed the exercises that you want to be tracking, as well as the sets, reps, and weight for those specific exercises. You can also add notes for each of these. So maybe you want to enter something like personal best. Let's say now I want to add on a session. So the beauty is I can just copy paste this and add on over here. And now I'm going to change this number to 6. I can change the date. So let's say this was on the 16th. And now for these exercises, I can just make edits over here. So for instance, maybe on this specific day, we increased our weight on the shoulder press machine. Maybe it became a 40 and it was a personal best. Maybe for the dumbbell RDL, we did 55 instead of 50. Over here, maybe we increased the weight, right? So whatever it is, you can actually make those changes very systematically. And the beauty of this workout logger is not only is it organized, but now all this information automatically feeds into the workout progress chart. So this tab is 100% automated. So what you're seeing here is sessions 1 to 12. Let's say this is a package that you sell. You have the exercises auto-populated. Here we just have 5 exercises, but if you have more exercises you'd like to track, they will all show up here. And you can see for each of your exercises what the progress has been across these sessions. You can also see the progress charted out in this beautiful chart. So the way you can read this is you can see that here you have John Doe, let's say that's your client's name. You can see that this green line is the dumbbell RDL. And you can see how the client has progressed from 40 kilos to now almost 55 kilos. And that way you can show progress to your clients for every single exercise. So there you have it. That is your workout progress chart. Now we're going to go into progress checks, which is your last tab. And here you're going to track metrics that align with your client's goals. So it could be anything from maybe weight, fat percentage, lean muscle percentage. So there you have it. This is a fully customizable, easy to use template that you can use to track your client workouts. If you're looking for an easier, faster solution to tracking your client sessions and workouts, do check out easybookapp.com. And if you're interested in learning more about how to grow your clients with $0 spent in marketing, do check out this new video that I've just posted. Until next time.